How's it, guys? Welcome back to FX Rhapsody. Today I'm back again with another VIX75 volatility 75 strategy that I want to show you. On this strategy, I want to show you, I'm using two indicators. So I want to show you how to set up the strategy with the indicators. I want to show you the entry point, where to enter, and then basically how it works, and then also the exit point of the strategy. And also I'll give you a little bit of, towards the end of the video, give you a little bit of hints and tips what to look out for and when not to trade this strategy. Okay, so let us start. So there's two indicators that I want you to put on your chart. I know you can use or insert indicators through the Insert Indicators tab, but I do not want you to do that. What I want you to do is use your navigation pane that's on the left hand side. If you do not have it, like I don't have mine at the moment, all you do is on your keyboard press Control and N, and it will appear on this on the left hand side. So basically what I want you to do is I want you to first go to your let's go to oscillators. So I want you to add in your relative strength index. That's your RSI. So I want you to click on it, drag it across. And what I want you to do is copy this, the parameters. So basically it's the parameters of 19 and then whatever you wanted, close. And then the levels will be 70 and 30. And all you do is press OK. And the RSI will be added to the bottom of your chart. Then next, I want you to go to trend and I want you to add the Bollinger Bands. Again, clicking on it, dragging it and dropping it on top of the RSI. Copy these parameters and then press OK. You can use any color you want to. It's all up to you. I just like the colors that I'm using currently. So basically, this is the indicator that you're going to use. So what you want to do and how this strategy works is whenever the RSI line, the green line, which is mine, breaks above the Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands will be the pink lines. When it breaks outside of it, you sell. On top, if it breaks below it, you buy. For this instance, the RSI broke above it over here, and then you buy. You sell, sorry. And then you'll see the price going down. Whenever the price breaks below the Bollinger Bands, or it breaks outside the Bollinger Bands on the lower level, then you buy, which is, again, in this case, you buy. And you see price going up. Another example over here, price breaking above or outside of the Bollinger Bands on the top, which is there, you sell. And you can see price dropping at or to the bottom there. If I go do some more examples for you, over here, price breaks below or outside of the Bollinger Bands on the bottom side. Over here, price breaks, you buy. Again, over here, price breaks below it or at the bottom over here, and then you buy. All of these are being traded on the 1 minute time frame. I've found that the 1 minute time frame works perfectly with this strategy. Now, when do you exit your trade? Excuse me, because I just showed you how to enter it. So when do you exit? For me, I trade with a trading plan. I only need a couple of trades or a couple of pips a day to hit my target, my daily target. So it's all depending on yourself. I would almost say don't keep your trades on too long. For me, if you have this perfect entry over here and it goes into profit and it goes into, it doesn't matter if it's $2 or $3 depending on your lot size. If you have a small lot size and it goes into $2, $3 profit, take your profit. There is plenty of these entries during the day. Do not be greedy. Do not hold your trades for long because you will get stopped out. Remember to use your risk. If you don't use risk, you will blow your account. So basically, get your entry, perfect. So practice the strategy, get your perfect entry when it breaks below the Bollinger Bands. Get your perfect entry, price will move in your direction. And as soon as it's nicely into profit, be it $2, $3, this is a scalping strategy, guys. Take your profit, wait for the next setup. Next setup will arrive. A couple of minutes later, bam, another setup. Okay? Exit. Over here. A couple of minutes later, bam. A couple of minutes later, the opposite direction. So don't keep your trades open for long. Rather, what you do is build on those small amounts. Take your $2, take your $3, and at the end of the day, you will have plenty. Okay? Don't be greedy on the strategy. It will not work for you then. Now, when not to trade the strategy. So you can see all these examples that I gave you over here. You can see you have your RSI 70 at the top, this dotted line, and then you have your 30 at the bottom. Only trade the strategy when the Bollinger Bands is within those two RSI arrays. So basically if it's in the middle or inside of the 70 and 30. As soon as it breaks outside, let's take a good example over here. So price is outside of the RSI. Do not trade it. Please, I have done this a couple of times. The strategy will not always work. Yes, here you can see it broke outside below, and then if you had a buy, you would have scored, but it does not always work. Over here, for instance, let's take a good example over here. So basically, you see price going up, breaks at the top or breaks out the top of the Bollinger Bands. So the strategy, if you follow the strategy, you would have said sell. But if you would have sold here, you see price moving up even more. Whenever these Bollinger Bands is outside of these two lines, the two RSI lines, it means the market is very volatile. Market is moving in a direction. Okay, do not buy or sell or trade when basically those Bollinger Bands is outside of that, outside of the RSI lines. Okay, rather stick within it. Right here, outside, sell, go down. Yeah, break below, buy, goes up. So guys, just follow the strategy. Don't overthink it. Use it. Practice it in your demo accounts before you take it to your live charts or to your live accounts. Try to perfect it before you trade it live. Just go practice it and practice and practice it. You will see things when you use these two indicators. So that's all from me, guys. I hope it makes sense. Please use your trading plan and do not overtrade. Do not overthink. Just it's trading made simple, basically. So hope you enjoyed this. If you did, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Happy trading, guys.